Welcome to Little Learner Station. Pineapple, grapes, dragon fruit. First I am coloring in the pineapple with yellow acrylic paint. The pineapple is looking so beautiful. Now I am coloring with light green color in the leaves of the pineapple. The pineapple is finished. Now I am coloring in the grapes, leaves and the stalk with light green color. Now in the grapes with purple color. Grapes are very sweet. I like to eat grapes. I am coloring in the dragon fruit. I am coloring the tips of the dragon fruit with light green color. Dragon fruit, pink dragon fruit. The tips are almost finished. Now I am coloring with pink color in the peels of the dragon fruit. Healthy fruits, healthy life. The peels are almost finished. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel for more videos.